toy from the vending machine at the shop. Yeah? No? What do you need? What do you need to get a toy from the vending machine?
I don't know.
Do you need a coin?
Yeah.
Here you go. You put that in your pocket. Keep it very safe. Good girl. Ooh, we'll have a look when we get home.
Chicky.
Chicky.
Oh, now you open it.
Can you tip it? Oh, well done. It's a blue chick. Is it really squishy?
Yeah. It's squishy.
Let me see it. Through the camera. It's got a face. Very cute.
Squish. A big fun stick.
He's very cute. Is it a boy or a girl?
A girl.
A girl chick. Okay.
So let's see.